Welcome back, guys. It is now week 2 of quarantine, or second weekend of quarantine. Yeah. So I just saw the night before, I picked up the forces there, the 22x12s, and today we are taking the lift over to my buddy Aaron's shop, and we're gonna see what we can do about getting some of these pieces painted. He picked up the paint earlier today, so shout out to him for letting me come over and help him do it to the lift, whatever. Yeah, so good video, all that. So let's get this thing loaded up, and I'm not sure what all I'm gonna paint. I know for sure the front cross member. I don't know, maybe some of the U-bolts. I don't know, we'll see. Gonna see if we can paint it all. The U-bolts are in that box there. I don't know what we're gonna end up painting. I'll get kind of a suggestion from him because these are pretty nasty. So we're heading off to Precision Auto and Detailing, about 15 minutes from the house. Aaron's been a good friend of mine for years now, and so I've been seeing his paint work for, shoot, 10, 12 years now? Maybe 10 years, probably about 10 years. Not a big Camaro guy, but that gray that you can't see looks amazing. Come on. The zoom is terrible, or focus is terrible. Come on! Oh my God. So here we are rolling up on the prestigious one and only Precision Auto and Detailing. Oh my goodness, what is he doing? He's got a vet. Oh, there's my boy. I'm getting it. Alright, I gotta back in over here. Probably shouldn't park so close. I can really smell that paint. Oh well, it's just a rental, it ain't mine. Oh my God. We're here with the one and only Aaron Alvarado.
Hello.
Hey, what's up, man? So what you think you'll be able to do with all this, huh?
Hey man, I think we're gonna give it a new paint job, man.
Oh, that's what I'm talking about.
Let me turn the music on.
So this is the new paint. Let's see. Oh, that yellow. Just kidding.
Yeah.
Typical joke around here.
Typical.
Yeah.
Very typical.
And you turn on that water? Hey man, I need some of that water turned on, boy. Oh, lit. Oh, boy. What's the professional way to blow this water off?
You have to be good at blowing at stuff.
I gotta be real good at blowing?
Yeah. Yeah, we're not gonna do that.
Okay. You going? Is it filming? We're filming?
Yes.
Filming? Okay, so now that we got done with our professional blowjob cut, I can't say that. Are we live?
We're live.
Okay, so now that we got done with our professional blowing, we are gonna be sanding down the metal. And yep, I don't know anything more about it other than that's what I'm doing. So let's do it. What's up, guys? Day number 2 here. We got the lift all done, ready for paint. We got it prepped, all sanded down, and so I'm on the way right now to go pick up Aaron and we're gonna go somewhere down off 45 to go and get the primer that he was talking about, some kind of epoxy primer. So it's supposed to bond really well with metal, and then you have 24 hours to spray the paint on it, is what I believe is what he said. And whenever you do that, the paint bonds to the epoxy, and somehow it makes it really good. Hey, what do you got there? What is that? Is this like my special surprise? Oh, do you need to get in? Oh, what do you got in your hand? What's in your hand? What did you put in your jacket? Oh my god. Aaron, what is it? What is it? Is it food? Did you get food? Oh, I thought it was food. Kind of looked like food.
What are you doing?
Trying to get fat.
Oh.
Yeah.
Unbelievable.
Aren't we supposed to be like quarantining?
Quarantining and chilling. That's what it is.
Oh, okay. Yeah, social distancing.
Social distancing. Correct.
Hey man, you get the goods?
Epoxy primer.
Mmm.
Make it stick.
Ooh. And we're back. Okay, yeah, this I can't do this. So we just picked up some 35-inch tires for the horses that I just picked up as well, and they're Fury Country.
Turn right.
Something, I don't know. Stupid good deal on them. They got plenty of tread. A couple of them are chopped, so get ready for a burnout video once I get them on the truck just to smooth them out. And now we're going back to the shop and get some painting done.
Turn right.
Doing some painting things.
In this weather, yes.
Yeah, in this weather that's raining.
Paint things.
Yeah.
Safeguard.
What are you doing? For what? Those are mine.
This is epoxy primer. This is what makes paint stick.
Wow.
Unbelievable.
You are so
Unreal.
unreal.
Cut.
It's always times like these when I think of you and wonder if you ever
That's a great song choice.
What?
It's a great song choice. Can you sing it to me?
It's alright, I got you earlier.
What are you doing with this?
Just go back and see whenever you were taking out the trash.
Oh, what did you do? I didn't. Did you really?
Yeah.
On the camera?
Yeah.
Oh no. Dude, no, I knew it because I went and looked for the camera and it wasn't in the Forerunner, and I was like, where's it at? And I came in here and I saw it sitting on there.
I grabbed it, I was like, let me go grab this thing.
You piece of. So we're about to start spraying, so I got to put these little masks on so I can keep my lungs. I mentioned that this is typically not how he sprays stuff. He's got a big inflatable paint booth. Big professional paint booth. It was what, like $3 grand or something for it? Yeah, it was expensive. So this is not typically how he does. So this, but because we had to hang stuff up, that's why we're doing it this way.
We're backyard getting it right.
Yeah, yeah. This is the backyard country road kind of painting, getting it done thing.
Country music.
Say. Just got done shooting the, what is it, ingot silver? Ignot silver? Whatever the Ford silver for the truck is on the shocks.
Yeah, and that silver, we sprayed the shocks. And we're about to spray the Orange Fury orange.
Ooh. Ooh.
Here we go.
That's a oof right there.
So the Orange Fury is a tri-coat metallic, and this is the orange base. So mix it 1 to 1 with this PPG.
So right now, Aaron is putting on the mid coat, which has all the metallic. So I'm gonna show y'all what the difference between one without the mid coat on and all the metallic, and one with the mid coat. Hopefully, I'll put a light on it on the one with the mid coat and the metallic, so you can kind of see the difference. This is no mid coat. I don't know if y'all can hear me. This is with it. I don't know if you can see all the metallic that is in it. Might be kind of hard to see, not quite sure. But the metallic that's in it is crazy. So we just got done with the mid coat, and now you're about to spray clear. So paint is all done today. He did, was it 2 things of clear coat?
Base coat, mid coat, 2 coats of clear.
So 4 coats total on them.
Shocks painted.
Dude, the metallic in that is unreal. I mean, it literally looks exactly like factory.
Orange Fury.
Mm-hmm. Everything came out absolutely stunning. I feel like it's so bright. The camera can't.
Yep.
Like, it's too bright, but everything else in the background is dark, so it's the camera can adjust to it. But I mean, dude, stuff came out perfect. This is the man. The man, the after hours weekend pandemic painter right here. Back at the casa after day 2 of painting, prepping, painting, and more painting, and more painting. And this morning I also picked up a set of 35s, which I'm about to unload here. And we're back. Day number 3 up here. Dude, these pieces. These pieces came out sweet. So I brought one of the wheels over here, and we're gonna see 2 different polishes, see what it does. We've already done kind of half of the wheel, and then just kind of a little bit of the other half, and we're just gonna see how much of a difference it makes with polishing versus a part that's not polished, and see just how well we can get these to look, and then do the whole rest of the wheel, of course. But this is just one test run on this wheel for today, and then see if we're gonna do all the 3 or what I'm gonna have to do. But
Test run number 1.
yeah, what we've done so far has come out pretty sweet. It's obviously we have polish on it because we're about to polish it, but pretty sweet from where it used to be. Is this toxic? What's the matter, man? What's wrong? I can't hear. Oh, who's that?
This is Mr. C's mobile detailing.
Oh man,
Look at him, he's a painter now.
he's a painter.
Only on Sundays.
He paints heat on objects.
Only during quarantine hours.
Only during quarantine. Hey, what are you doing, man?
Trying to get this shit done.
Whoa, whoa, whoa! Why you gotta get so angry?
You gotta bleep that out.
No, I actually
Marble?
What are you doing, man?
Marble?
I'm mad about what?
Tell me.
I don't know, man. What are you trying to do? What are you doing, man? Get that out of my face. How does it feel to put that in people's faces?
Record? Turn it off.
What?
Turn the record off. How do you turn it off?
How do you hit it again?
Oh, okay.
It's on the side.